Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your Facebook account. Stick with me till the end and let's get right into it. Now it's really easy to log into your account of Facebook if you have an account. So all you do is download the app of Facebook either from the Play Store or the App Store, and once the app has been downloaded, you just tap open the application and this screen will open up. Now all you do is either type in the phone number or email address associated with your number. So if you used your phone number to create an account, you can type it in, or if you used your email address, you type in your email address. Once that is done, now you will just need to type in the password of your account. Now if you don't remember your password and what you set it, you can just tap on forgot password and you can follow the steps to recover and retrieve it. But if you do know the password, you can just type it in. You can also tap on this I button right here to reveal your password. Now after you fill both of these boxes, you just tap on login. After a few seconds, you will be successfully logged in to your Facebook account. So that's how easily you do it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today, and I'll be back with more.